welcome back. If you're new here, I'm Shelby, the Strong Willow, and I am so pumped to be flipping that nativity set that I found last week in this video. It was a long process, longer than expected, but I'm gonna take you along for the ride, hopefully help you avoid some of the struggles that I encountered. I can't wait for you guys to see the end result. As always, you can feel free to like and subscribe, and for more of my everyday life, follow me on Instagram at the Strong Willow. Let's get started. My first step is to remove the people from their house. They're not only wired down, they're glued down. I originally thought this was hot glue, but this has to be some kind of like high-strength cement. I cannot get them off, so first recommendation, if you're gonna flip a nativity set, definitely choose one where the people are not cemented down. As you can see, I'm needing some more extreme measures to get these two off. I even tried fire. Fire failed. Alright, I've been trying everything to get this guy's base off, and I did get his base off. I just got his entire base off by breaking him. So, I need to figure out how to give him a new way to stand up. I mean, he still stands, but with Mary, I got off most of the particle board around her, but I don't want to break off her entire bottom half. So I think I'm going to try to just sand around her, and we'll just call that her new base. I quickly sawed down this board I had on hand to make a new base for the stable since I had to destroy the last one. We are finally to the part I'm very excited about. You take some baking powder and mix a couple of spoonfuls into some house paint. I'm using the color Silo's White, which is a Magnolia home color. You can get it at your local Ace Hardware, but you mix that all up into your paint. It gets really light and fluffy, and it gives your painted pieces this really nice ceramic kind of clay look once it dries. While I'm waiting for the wood glue to dry, I'm trying to decide what I want to do for the roof here. My first idea was to take a bunch of popsicle sticks and trim them to be this width and make kind of like shingles. My other idea is that I have this extra cork. It's like a cork gasket material that you could get at a hardware store. And I'm thinking it's bendable. Maybe that would be kind of a cool texture to add. Guys, I think something crazy is happening here. I didn't notice this until now, but shepherd, wise man, Mary, baby Jesus, animals, and the angel. So who is missing from this little family here? It truly is the virgin birth. Either that or this guy here is not a shepherd Maybe he's supposed to be Joseph. I think I'm gonna go with that. So guys, that's it. I hope you love how it turned out. What I really want to know is, do you think that Joseph is missing, or do you think that the man with the shepherd hook is supposed to be Joseph? I'm really confused about this. As always, I hope this inspires you to upcycle something you've thrifted and turn it into something you love. You guys are awesome. I'll see you next week. Bye!